Hello and good morning. I hope you're having an exciting morning. Well, if you are, my guest just may be able to do something to add to your excitement this morning. I have in front of me Abdurrahman Kafidikbe and Adetunji Kafidikbe, who are, play a very pivotal role in Marksman Travel and Tours. Abdurrahman is actually, the CEO of Marksman Travel and Tours. Good morning, gentlemen. Welcome to the show.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good to have you here on a Tuesday morning. So tell us about Marksman Travel and Tours. What do you do?
Okay, so Marksman Travel and Tours is a travel consulting firm. We do educational travels. We do all types of travels, health, tourism. You want to relocate, any aspect of traveling. We have a lot of aspects of traveling. We do everything. We consult for you on all aspects of traveling.
Okay, so different types of tourism, educational, health. Is there a specific one that you are focusing on right now?
Okay, for the Edu-fair, we're focusing on educational and we could say skill traveling. So traveling with purpose. Most people travel no purpose. They just travel. They just want to travel because every other person is traveling. So we're trying to push some skills that you can even start using to make some foreign currency right from Nigeria before you travel. And we're also trying to push the mentality of traveling and coming back to impact your fellow country, your own country. Because just like yesterday, I was in Canada, then I was in London too earlier this morning, and I came all the way for the education affair. So I traveled back home every time because home is home, and I decided to choose Abeokuta because I'm more me. So I had to choose Abeokuta to push it. So we have to push that mentality. Most people I see over there, they just want to travel. They don't want to come back because they feel there's no need to impact your home country, but there is always a need to impact your own country because we also see what they do over there. So that's the major drive for this educational fair, to let them know you could gather skills from home country itself. You could start aiming, and if you decide to travel, you could travel also in, and you can still come back and impact your own country. Yes.
Okay, Adetunji, where does Marksman Travel and Tours come in this problem that Abdurrahman highlighted? He said people travel without purpose, with no plan. So where do you come in if you want to help people who travel without purpose or skill?
Okay, one thing we have always said is that skill acquisition is a very, very huge priority. A lot of people, even in this country, say, okay, there's no job anywhere, there's no job everywhere, but a lot of people just want to JAPA for the sake of JAPA. They just want to travel out, and when they get there, they start trying to strive hard to find jobs, healthcare jobs that they're not even familiar with. So we're trying to put that foundational principle to allow people to understand that, okay, you can gather some requisite skills from Nigeria here and go and add value there, so you can be recognized as someone that is traveling for a particular purpose, not just being desperate for traveling purpose and getting there stranded.
Right, so the work starts here even before one relocates abroad.
Yes, so basically, Marksman Travels and Tours is in partnership with some training organizations, some HR firms that does skill acquisition programs for people on different skills like professional writing skills, academic research skills. So a lot of skills like that we are trying to imbibe in the minds of a lot of people that, okay, if you're traveling to an industrialized nation like UK, Canada, US, you need to be up and doing. You need to have something that would make them feel like, okay, you are coming from a country, from a, let me say, a third world country, but you are coming there fully packaged, so you can get the right opportunities there.
Abdurrahman, tell me, has Marksman Travel and Tours, done the research to find out which of these skills and talents are in demand in the countries that people plan to relocate to? Because it's not every skill and or every talent that is needed or valued in every country. So do you tailor each person's needs to the country they want to relocate to?
So what I'm going to say is, with I spent over 2 years outside of the country, so I can say every skill is important. Every skill is important. So I'm going to drop one now. Even driving skills. if you can drive properly and you obey rules, because I notice a lot of Nigerians don't obey rules. I passed my professional driving exam once because I'm someone that used to obey rules, speed limits and the like. So we have people that have been driving for 17 years. When they get there, they fail their full license test, they have to go back. So driving skills alone, you see some job specification, they'll tell you you have to have a full license to drive. So even driving alone, it's as people just underrate driving. I pick up my car and move. No. So driving alone, for you to imagine drive something like driving and you start earning more than your normal pay rate. So all skills are very important, because the last time I wanted to fix my TV in my house, just to come fix my TV, when you convert it to Naira, you are spending about 300,000 Naira just to fix a TV that you do for like 10,000 Naira a year. So imagine those kind of skills. When you acquire it, you're living fine in a country where even plating there, everything is important, right? Even communication is very important. So no skill that we have here that is not important in the tier 1 countries here.
Okay.
So we cannot tailor everybody's needs. Okay, what niche can you cover? Then we'll train you on what you want to do. Yes.
Okay, let's talk about the training that's happening. I believe you have a fair coming up.
We have a fair tomorrow, November 30th at the June 12th Cultural Center. Yes. So
what is going to be happening at the fair? Who are the people that will be present at the fair? And then what does everyone or anyone coming stand to benefit or go home with?
Okay, so you start to benefit first-hand information, and along the line, we're able to secure some partnership with companies like Say Solutions, which are professional writing companies and research companies. So some with the Ministry of Education, also willing to impact the youth. Then we're also able to gather a training with AXA Master to train people that insurance is very important when you travel as well. And we have immigration consultants coming on board too that would also give you first-hand information. And we have some international schools like Moore College, Central Health Institute. They're also sending their representative on board too. So there are a lot of things to gain tomorrow, first-hand information. And at the end of the day, there'll also be like some people that will be shortlisted to benefit from free applications and free consultations when they attend events tomorrow.
Okay. Adetunji, tell me, is the Edu-fair, is it open to everyone? And then what is the target audience that you are hoping to attract at the fair tomorrow? What kind of people should be coming to the fair?
Okay. We are open to attract all kinds of people, both skilled people, unskilled people, educated people, and uneducated people. It's just to brief people. A lot of parents have children that they'll be like, I want you to go outside to study, and the child says, okay, let me still gather some things before I go. It's just to educate. It's an educative program that strives to add value to every individual. So we are looking at students, we're looking at university undergraduates, we're looking at graduates, we're looking at bankers, professionals, and all of that.
Okay. And is there any entrance fees, any admission fee? Is it free for everyone?
It's a free program.
Yeah, we decided to make it free. It's totally free for everyone, because I said the best things in life are free, so it's free, totally free. Yes.
So when should they come, and where should?
So the program starts at 9 a.m. So it's going to be at June 12th Cultural Center, Abeokuta, at 9 a.m. So it's open to everyone. So when you register, you just stand a chance to win prizes, because you put in effort to even go online and register via the link. But you can come in even though you don't register. You can register at the entrance, and yes, you stand a chance to win souvenirs, gifts, and many other things.
Is it going to be a one-time thing, or is it going to be a recurring thing?
Okay, it's going to be a recurring thing. To be yearly, a yearly thing. So we can probably start changing locations everywhere, but maiden edition is in Abeokuta. Yes, strategically put it in Abeokuta. Yeah.
So if one misses one's chance to attend the fair this year, they have to wait till next year
yes.
to attend the next one.
Yes.
All right. Organized by Maxman Travel and Tours
Limited. Yes.
All right. So the fair happening tomorrow, is that going to be the end of the participation of the attendants, or is there more that you're going to be doing with the participants and the attendants after tomorrow's fair?
Yeah, there will be a lot of newsletters to be sent out once we take their acknowledgement, and they acknowledge Maxman Travels and Tours Limited, send them newsletters or any updates, so they stand a chance, because there'll be in a pool of applicants. Once they decide to learn more of the skills, we can be sending them out to employers that are willing to employ some of them, and we keep sending periodic newsletters to them. So we are still in touch forever.
Is the fair only for people who are maybe have concrete plans to JAPA or to relocate? What about someone who maybe they are only going to be planning it in about 3-6 months or even a year?
Okay.
Can they also come?
Yes, they can. That's why it's going to be like an all-inclusive educational stuff. So we're going to educate them on the nitty-gritty of traveling, everything that has to do with traveling. We're going to educate them on everything. So they're going to know more about how to plan, things to save for, the financial parts, the all-round chart. They are going to learn so many things, because when you're traveling, you need to plan financially for it. So they're also going to learn so many things about your traveling.
All right, my guests are Abdurrahman and Adetunji Kafidipe, who are from Maxman Travel and Tours, and they are talking to us about the Edu-fair coming up. As we prepare to wrap up this conversation, let's have the details again. Where the fair is holding, when it is holding.
So the fair is November 30th, 2023 at June 12th Cultural Center, Abeokuta. It starts at 9 a.m. So the fair starts at 9 a.m.
Okay. All right. November 30th, that's tomorrow.
Tomorrow, yes.
Okay. Thank you very much, gentlemen. Abdurrahman Kafidipe and Adetunji Kafidipe from Maxman Travel and Tours. Thank you for your time.
Thank you so much. You're welcome.
Enjoy the rest of your morning. I'll say my goodbyes now.
You too.